Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about proper noun. Proper nouns are also called particular noun. It means that the second name of the proper noun is particular noun. Come to the definition. It is the name of particular person, place, or thing. So here we would like to talk about particular person or place. Come to the note, proper nouns are spelled with capital letter. That means that proper noun should be started with capital letter, or we can say uppercase. Articles are not normally used with proper nouns. So it means that a and n shouldn't be used with proper noun. So we can't say in Alam or Paris. So here article should be omitted in proper noun. So it was all about proper noun. Thank you so much for watching.